Hi guys, hola, welcome back. So, welcome to me here in Quebec, Canada. So, good evening. So, we're here now in Quebec, Canada, guys. So, we're here in Canada. Actually, it's been a long time not to post some videos since I was kind of busy for a while. So, I hope you guys will like. So again, welcome to Quebec. Welcome to beautiful Quebec.
Diretso lang.
Oh, Philippines.
Ay, video.
So, actually ito po yung ano nila bridge dito. Hindi pa kami makadaan for now since may dumaan kasi na ano, yung parang ano nila. Ayun, dumaan kasi yon. Ayan, may dumaan. Diba? So, ang nangyari, binuksan nila itong tulay nila para makadaan yung parang boat. Yung speedboat ba yun? Hindi, yate. Parang ganon. Tapos ito, ayan, binababa na din nila guys yung ano nila, yung tulay. Ayan, di ba? Tapos ito din, parang magko-connect na po siya doon din sa kabila para kami makatawid na, di ba? Sobrang unique. So I believe na every time na may dadaan, bubuksan nila ito para makadaan yung any boats na dadaan dito sa tulay na to. Ayan na, binaba na nila. Di ba? Ganito talaga sa Quebec, guys. Ganito sa Canada, di ba? Ayan. ORLO. So, I don't think na ito yung ano nila guys, yung sentro talaga. Pero, maganda siya. Pangit lang kasi gabi. Mas maganda sana kapag yung umaga para makikita talaga yung ano niya. Yung beauty niya. So again guys, welcome to Quebec. Ayan. So what is this? Is this a monument or whatever? So, welcome to Maple Tree. Kaso para siyang dead pa. Diba? Ayan, yun yung maple tree nila. Tapos hindi natin masyadong makita dahil gabi na siya.
Tapos
Walang kaklas-klas bumaba.
Welcome to Quebec. Enough na. Tapos akyat na naman. Pangit kasi pag gabi.
Bakit tumatadyo nga agad matulog?
Ayan, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Malamang parang bomba siya guys. So, basically guys, we're looking for the shopping mall here. But then again, hindi po na binalocate. Napagod po ako. Dahil sobrang haba po ng stairs po na inakyatan po namin guys just to come over here on this side. But look at that. That's the view. So, unfortunately, I prefer to have a video during daytime compared sa nighttime guys. Maganda po siya guys actually, but then again hindi po totally what do you call this one, ma-appreciate yung place niya since madilim nga, diba? But we'll see. Anyway, see ya. Ayan na. Dito na yun, diba? Guys, sobrang ganda ng shop. Guys, sobrang ganda dito. So those are the shops here in Quebec. It's very unique. It's like parang iskinita lang siya guys. Tapos may mga shop siya. Diba? Ayan. May restaurants.
Yeah.
Guys, ang ganda. So, hindi siya masyadong makita kasi nga gabi, diba? Again, it's gabi. Pero ang ganda dito. Halika, Besh. Dito pa lang kita guys. This is Quebec during night time. Balik. So this is Quebec again guys. So look at that beautiful building. Oh my god, so actually basically hindi siya masyadong kita pero ayan siya. I have pictures there. So yeah. Ayan. So ayan guys, that's it for tonight. That's it for today. So again, I just would like to say thank you so much for all your support to my vlog, and then until next time again. So actually sobrang dami ko pong na-miss po talaga na video na upload. It's because sobrang busy ko po talaga guys. But anyway, nandito po tayo ngayon again sa Quebec. Ayan. So ayan. So again guys, thank you so much and see you again. I love you all. Know that I'm always here kahit busy ako minsan. See ya!